the perfect time to make unforgettable memories with your friends and family and loved ones, but of course, most especially with yourself. And that is why all of us are here today, to give you a summer that you will remember. My name is Pauline Cucharo Amlings, and I will be your host this afternoon at Chowking's Halo Halo Land. I hope all of you are ready because Chowking Halo Halo Land is now back at the SM Mall of Asia. At dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap nyo sa amin, we will take that to the next level for you to experience kumpletong lamig sarap. And if you want to know what we mean with kumpletong lamig sarap, then you should purchase your own Chowking Halo Halo Supreme today because we have a promo. Yes, today we have a promo that lasts till May 31 of this month. And our promo is buy two, get one free of our Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. So kaya nga, bring your friends, family, neighbors, and avail of this promo today. It's available in all Chowking SM stores and of course on the SM Mall's online app. But of course, aside from that, Chowking wants to let you know, wants to ask all of you to mark your calendars because our promo tomorrow will also go to the next level. Bukas, 5-5, diba? So of course, special yung promo natin bukas. Yung buy two, get one free will then be available in all Chowking stores nationwide. So kaya, what are you waiting for? Come to our Halo Halo bar here in Chowking's Halo Halo Land because all the Pinoy summer flavors ay mahahanap sa Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. At kung gusto niyo mag-enjoy pa, maglaro na kayo ng Chowking Halo Halo Supreme Sangkap Catch Filter. This filter you can find on Facebook and Instagram. The challenge here is to catch the 13 correct sangkap ng Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. You can share your experience online and use the hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. Also, don't forget to take all your photos, pictures, and videos today and upload them online. You can tag Chowking, you can tag me, but of course, more importantly, use our hashtags, hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Land and hashtag Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. I've already said so much, my dear friends and ladies and gentlemen, pero bago ang lahat, I want to give my heartfelt gratitude to the team of Chowking, of course. Itong Halo Halo Land today would not have been possible without their hard work and, may I say, dedication. So let's give it up for our Chowking team for bringing all of us together in this hot summer here at our Chowking Halo Halo Land. But of course, a beautiful Halo Halo Land like this is also made possible through our venue partner. And with that, we would like to thank our Chowking Halo Halo Land partner, SM Supermalls, for the perfect summer venue here at the SM Mall of Asia. Get ready for an afternoon full of excitement because we have lined up some fun activities for all of you. There will be some lucky players in our crowd today that can join and win during our exciting games. And what's more exciting than our games today is our supreme guest who we have invited for all of you today. So sit tight, stand tight rather, and enjoy our program today. But before we get into that, let's learn more about Chowking Halo Halo Land and what's in store for all of us today. So with that, let's give it up and welcome to the stage with a big round of applause, Chowking's brand manager, Mr. Gio Martin.
Thanks, Pauline. Good afternoon, SM Mall of Asia. Good afternoon. Alright, we are very excited to see you all here in Chowking Halo Halo Land 2024. Alam nyo, this year is extra special as we continue our nationwide campaign with our Halo Halo Land 2. Our goal really is to bring you a one-of-a-kind summer experience. And paano pa nga ba namin yan papalakihin? And bring it here in one of the biggest malls in the country, SM Mall of Asia. We're excited to celebrate with you all here today. And how else can we make that special by bringing you the favorite dessert of the summer season, your Chowking Halo Halo Supreme. Kaya naman alam natin na we are very proud kasi ang Chowking Halo Halo Supreme, ang sarap niya nang galing sa sangkap, and we offer all the many different ingredients like your ube ice cream, ube halaya, leche flan, at iba pa. At alam ko naman na very excited na kayo kaya hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Sino excited na makita ng kimchi? So again, kaya naman, Halo Halo Summer Chowking Halo Halo Summer na. Thank you po!